everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a cat-eye conversion on my new truck that I just bought, and then we're gonna go to a little show. He wants to check the Camaro. He's over here cleaning it. We woke up late, you know, but like always, he's always waking up late. But yeah, we're gonna go. I'll show you guys, and then we're gonna go get the parts. I already bought them. Shout out to the homies, and I'll show you guys the installation and everything. And yeah, see you at the show. Alright, so we pull up to the show. It's kind of dying now already, but todo por este güey, se levanta bien tarde.
Hey, güey,
Alright, so it's that. Este güey se levantó tarde.
tú, güey, yo no.
Well, fuck it, we're gonna go do the front end conversion. And I'll show you guys. Right here, we're gonna do a little pull. Alright, so we're gonna go eat. You already know we're gonna go eat tacos. And yeah, I'll show you guys when we get there. Okay, go eat. We're gonna make an order. And then I'll show you the guys the food. We're about to eat. Eat. Right here. Let's come through.
Hey, Manny. Manny Wellness.
so we didn't have enough time today to do the cat conversion. I actually went to pick up a new bed, and then we're out, you know, haciendo desmadre. But yeah, in the next video, I'll show you guys my cat conversion. I'll show you guys the new bed that I got for the truck. Go hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe.
Wait for the next video, guys. Wait for the next video.
But yeah, peace out.